Every breath I breathe reminds me of your smile. Every step I take feels brighter all the while. You're the melody that lives inside my heart. No matter where I go, we're never far apart. When the world turns cold and the sky is gray, your love always lights my way. I'll be there, always by your side, through every moment, every tide. What could I ever do without you? You're my dream that's coming true. I wanna love you forever and ever. Every heartbeat now and forever. Holding your hand until time is through. My forever begins with you. Every sunrise brings another chance to see the beautiful future you have made for me. Your gentle touch is all I'll ever need. Together we'll grow like a tiny seed. No distance, no storm can keep